Hey guys, it's Steve Zalunardo here at my newest listings at 25 Shephard in Alliston. If you have a look at this house, it's an N-unit townhouse, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a finished basement. We're going to be listed at $459,000. And the amazing story is we bought this house for a client as an investment property for retirement actually, and they're finally cashing out. They moved to Vancouver, and with the the proceeds they're going to get from this house, they're actually going to buy a property in Costa Rica and live the winters in Costa Rica. So that is super exciting. I'm happy to be part of this. And you know, 4 years ago when we bought this property, that was the whole plan for this to be one day a cash out and a bunch of money where they can retire and enjoy their lives, which is fantastic. And again, back to the C63, we've driven it for about 3 hours now doing all our runarounds. The car is definitely a beast, very slippery in the rear end because it's full rear-wheel drive, but I mean ultimately it is an awesome car. Need fuel now, but that's gonna have to expect that. I think I'm doing 20 liters per 100 right now, which is I'm driving a little bit aggressive, but which is fun. And again guys, have a great weekend. We'll talk soon. Bye bye.